Africa Content TV.
By the time he arrived, the children oh my God. This moment I see all of them were on ground, maybe because they came from there all along. So they were picking the children administering water into them. Some of them were giving them direct water, and then they were giving them medical attention immediately. One of them was very, very critical. They have to take oxygen. That would be one hospital. Every other one of the trips. And we were there from that around 9 o'clock up to midnight. I was here with them, all the service personnel who rescued them, and then one of them, everybody was around, and you can see that they were calling elders to save their lives so that nothing happened. The difference between yesterday night and this morning is that today when I came in, some of them, at least more than 70% of them were no longer on trips, and then they were laughing. So a few minutes ago, when they saw them too, chatting with them.
Yeah, could you recognize some of them in the pictures? You know, when the thing first happened, we saw the video where they're crying for help. Could you recognize some of them here, aside from the head teacher, with all of us know?
The funny thing is that as I was coming yesterday, the head teacher, she said, I've seen it on the ship. And then some of the children, and then the mother of the one that 3 months old guy, I saw them. And then 2 other teachers who are elderly. But you know, in the picture, the children in the picture were even bigger than the children I saw. Most of them saw
So people are saying never again. People that are living in those areas, what is the government guaranteeing them? I know you have legislative function. You might not be able to give all of.
We've already appealed. You know, federal government sent the delegation to this place when the incident happened. And one of the few things the community appealed is for them to give us an army barracks. And then let us be written to the president of which I know definitely it will change us everybody and it will give them what is called confidence for them to come back. It is normal. It's very traumatic. But showing me the test the husband sent to me yesterday about the wife,
not knowing they will be released.
He sent me tests every morning, 7 o'clock. Every morning, I'm angry. And the same person now sent me a test. This idea and knowledge of the area. They were sealed up from Secretary, sealed up from Iboki, sealed up from Ibeti, and then attacked from SLA.
I don't know, this will be controversial. Do you want to speak to the ransom? People were saying ransom were paid ransom. I don't know if you...
I don't know. I'm not part of the government. If there is so I'm just a legislature and I'm concerned about my children and my children are back.
Thank you very much.
Distinguished, we are aware that you are a top government official.
Yeah.
I would like to know what would be the movement from here henceforth. Is it most likely that they are going to take them to Abuja to see the president?
The decision will be taken by federal government. You know, I'm not in the position to say that. But the president is only concerned as of now in the health and situation of those kids. And then I'm very happy this morning because yesterday all of them were on trips, all of them. But today, more than 70% of them were not on duty. They were even eating now. They've taken their breakfast. They have taken their lunch. Something they've not even. You will see the way they are eating the food. You'll be happy. Unlike yesterday night when I came as a father, I was also crying when I saw them because look at the age of the children.
Now, what would be the recommendation in that area, especially to address insecurity?
The truth of the matter is that if you are talking of insecurity now, you say you are advising the soldier or the security group. We are just not being fair. With what they have seen, with what they have done, they will also know within themselves what next should be done that will assist them and to prevent the future occurrence of this type of incident. Look at it. Look at the combination of the people that came. All the security agencies, and they sent special squad again from Abuja to assist. You can see that they've done a very human job. They did very well.
As some have advocated for military operational base in that area, would you also subscribe to that?
Of course, that's what we just said. Even the time the federal government delegation came, one of the first things we asked was that please give us an army formation in that area. It will help, because if you
Would be reunited to their family?
God willing, because what I saw yesterday was quite different to what I saw today. Yesterday night, they were very weak, they were very dehydrated, and they put all of them on drips. But this morning, 70% of them, they've been eating by themselves. They've eaten rice, in the morning they took bread, and you can now see that one was very happy, and I'm very pleased with what I saw.
We would like to indulge you one more time, please. You know, when you were taking that of our rice, it was exclusive. We just give us a little snippet of how that experience was for them, please. The harrowing experience, like you did for our rice, please.
What happened was that when I was in Odogbo, when I got the information that they've been released, as usual, I was skeptical that social media hype. But when I now saw the release from Bayo Nonuga, it's tweet, I said, this must be true, because I know him, he would never engage in all the like. So when I saw that, I said, what will happen? And I make my own contacts, and they confirm it. And I asked the next move, they think they are going to Buari. And I jumped into my car from Odogbo. I came to Ibadan. When I arrived here around 9, they were not here. So I waited. When they came in, we saw them. And then when they were being brought out from the vehicle, oh my God! I was even thinking some of them are gone, because they didn't even know the way they were carried. They know small boys. And then the military personnel who are doctors, and then the nurses, give it to them. They did the job. They were on ground. They received the children, they laid them on ground, and they were feeding them. From there, they were putting all medical things on them. But one was very critical, the one that was given oxygen. But fortunately for us, is back and healthy this morning. They've removed the oxygen, and more than 70% of them are no longer on drips. In fact, I was there this morning when they were taking their breakfast. They took bread. This afternoon they took jollof rice. It was really, really good, and we thank God and we thank the president for the human job, for the determination he made, and he has given our people hope. He has given the family reason to thank God again, because everybody is losing hope that no, we won't see them again, blah 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 blah. But he has proven everybody wrong, and I thank all the military personnel, and I also commend the effort of the state governor, because you can see the way me and him were joking right now. It's not a party thing; it's about our children, and then we're happy we're here.